Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. The new iPhone SE for 2022 has been announced as the successor to the iPhone SE 2020 and as the third generation model in this line of affordable phones. One thing for sure, the new iPhone SE doesn't exactly reinvent the wheel. It's incredibly similar to its predecessor. The two key upgrades here are the A15 Bionic chipset, which will give the iPhone SE more processing power than the 2020 version, and also there's 5G connectivity. So some people might like these new iPhone SE's upgrades and some might not like it at all. The third gen iPhone SE has the same design as its predecessor and therefore the same look as the iPhone 8, a 5-year-old phone. That means it's small and thin with a big bezel and chin. The front and back of the phone is made of glass with an aluminum frame between it. This is a very 2017 design for Apple. So the new iPhone SE has a single 12 megapixel rear camera, which presumably has an improved sensor over the last SE, though this wasn't confirmed. At the launch, Apple showed off a few camera features including portrait mode and photographic styles and filters. The front camera is the same 7 megapixel snapper as we saw 2 years ago, so don't expect high-res selfies here. One new addition is the slow-mo video to the snapper. In terms of the battery, Apple never reveals its phone's capacities ahead of time. We always have to wait for breakdowns to bring us the information. However, Apple says the iPhone SE brings better battery life. And lastly, the iPhone SE 2022 is getting the iPhone 13's chipset, which is the A15 Bionic, so expect similar processing speeds and battery optimization. Well, that's about all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.